Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pizza oven. First, you'll need to prepare a strong, level foundation. This base is crucial as it will support the entire weight of your oven, which can be substantial. Aim for a platform that can safely hold over 2,000 pounds. Using concrete or robust pavers will ensure a stable and long-lasting structure for your culinary adventures. Next, we'll focus on the oven's hearth, which is your cooking surface. Carefully lay fire bricks, ensuring they are tightly fitted together. It's essential to use a high-temperature mortar designed for this purpose, as regular mortar won't withstand the intense heat. A perfectly flat hearth is key to achieving evenly cooked pizzas with a crispy crust every time. Now comes the exciting part, building the dome. This is where your oven truly takes shape. Carefully stack fire bricks, gradually curving them inward to form a sturdy dome. Aim for an internal height of about 16 to 18 inches for optimal heat circulation. Remember to leave an opening for the oven mouth, typically around 12 inches wide, for easy access. Finally, we need to insulate and cure your new pizza oven. Apply a thick layer of ceramic fiber blanket over the dome to retain heat efficiently. Then, cover this insulation with a weather-resistant render or stucco for protection and aesthetics. Before cooking, cure the oven by building small, gradually increasing fires over several days. This process removes moisture and strengthens the structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.